If you want to insert a SIM card into POCO F7, then first of all we need to prepare the eject tool that is of course needed if we want to eject the SIM tray. If we take a look at the bottom of the phone over here, we can find the SIM tray with the SIM tray hole, and we need to insert the eject tool into this hole. So just put it in and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. As you can see, it sticks out just a little bit, and then we need to use our fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove it from the phone. In this case, we have two SIM card slots. This is the European version. I'm not sure if that's the same case for every other region, but generally speaking, you need to match the shape of the SIM card slot. So as you can see here, we have this cut part, so we need to match it and just put it into the slot. It should go really easily, and make sure that it doesn't stick out. Of course, on the reverse side, we also have SIM 2, so we can insert another SIM card here as well. And just make sure that it doesn't, that you don't accidentally remove SIM card. Make sure that they don't stick out, they are fully in. And once you have your SIM card or SIM cards inserted into the slots, then we can take a look at the bottom and insert the SIM tray back into the phone with your finger. Make sure that it is fully in. If it doesn't want to go all the way in, then make sure that SIM cards are inserted properly. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.